Yes, we're live right now, or I'm recording it. Cool. So earlier we were talking about with mixed numbers, how do we subtract them, and of course we do the same steps with the fractions, and we don't mix it up. But there's one situation in subtracting fractions that I haven't. It's not as simple. So the first thing is that sometimes you have to borrow in subtracting, don't you?
Yes.
Don't you have to sometimes borrow?
Yes.
So for this part, I want you to actually put your pencils down, and I want your full brain power attention over on the with me and participate, please. Thank you, because again, this is actually the hardest of the hardest of the hardest we will learn in fifth grade when subtracting fractions. Okay, ready? Then this is level 3, the hardest of the hardest of what we will do with fractions. So here we go. So first we rearrange it to 3 1/4 minus 1 2/3. Okay. And I want to make sure that I align it perfectly with my paper so I could make sure that I can use the lines to not have crooked looking fractions. Okay, so we did that part. What do we want first? What do we want, ladies and gentlemen? The least common denominator. Multiple, I'm sorry. So 1/4, 1 times 2 is? 1 times 2 is? 4 times 2 is? Y'all, that was pretty bad. We're doing it as a blooper, right? Okay, 4 times 2 is? There we go. Okay, 1 times 3 is? And 4 times 3 is? Let's just do one more. 1 times 4 is? And 4 times 4 is? All right, let's go to our thirds on the bottom. So 2 times 2 is? 4. And 3 times 2 is? And then 2 times 3 is? No, I think what you meant to say is that 3 times 3 is 9, right? Yeah, I think that's where we were going with. Okay, 2 times 4 is? 3 times 4 is? Did we find our common denominator? Which one is it? 8 12s and 3 12s. You know what? Since I don't want to make too much mess, I'm going to rewrite off to the side. And you don't have to, but at the same time, I kind of want to, because since I'm explaining it for the first time, I want to have a clean copy. So 3 and 3 12s minus 1 whole and 8 12s. Okay. I think I heard Alberto go like, oh, what do you mean? What did we just find?
Nothing.
Alfredo? Alfredo's telling me 5 12s is the answer for when I subtract fractions. Would that be correct? No. It won't be, because can I subtract a small number on the top and then bigger number at the bottom when I'm subtracting? No. What do you think you have to do in this instance? You have to borrow. Good job, Camila. You have to borrow. Great, and yes, you do. Before you try to continue to borrow, I do want you to have your pencils down. Pencils down. I promise you'll get a chance to copy it soon, because this is the hardest part. And if you miss it, you lost it, and you snooze, you're going to lose. You snooze, you're going to lose. The 3 on the top, you have to borrow from the 3 holes to be able to subtract from the 8 12s. You have to borrow. Le tienes que pedir prestado. To do that, this 3 holes becomes?
2.
Yes, it does. But this is the difference with fractions and regular subtracting. When you borrow from fractions, you're not borrowing the 1. Let me say that one more time. You are not going to put a 1 when you borrow. What you're going to do is you're going to borrow the denominator.
What?
Let me show you what that means. Whatever does the denominator change sometimes? Yes. So it's never borrow a 1. It's borrow the denominator.
Also
What is the denominator?
12.
What is it?
12.
So this is the careful part. Since we're borrowing the denominator, your new fraction, it's going to be, let me move this up. Your new fraction is going to be 2 and 15 twelves minus 1 and 8 twelves. I see some people be like, whoa. And some people are like, what? For the people that are going like, what? Let me say it one more time, but don't grab your pencil just yet. When you borrow with fractions, you don't borrow a 1, you borrow the denominator. So the 3 changes to a 2. And to borrow with fractions, whatever is the denominator, that's what you add to the top. So 3 plus 12 equals 15.
No idea, guys. No idea.
Now, can we do it? Yes. 15 minus 8 equals 7. 12s, and 2 minus 1 is 1.